Bitcoin is at 43,800 right now. It went up to 48,000. Big drop over here. Everyone is fearful of what is happening, but let's analyze. I've got the daily chart over here. I have marked up my support and resistance levels over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow lines. These are my major support and resistance lines, and this 200 period smooth moving average over here below, you can see the RSI. This is all I try to use. Keep it very simple, nothing complicated here. Now let's analyze what is happening. So last week I made a video and I was talking about these two candles over here. What I mentioned was that there are large wicks in the candle. You see, this was all green in the beginning, but it pushed down by the sellers. This was big green candle over here, pushed down by the seller, showing a lot of selling pressure. And I mentioned at that time there is a big chance, almost 90% chance, it will go down to either test this level or the 200 period smooth moving average. As you can see, this is exactly what is happening right now. Large wick over here near the 200 period moving average. It found good support, came back up here to form a doji candle at the moment, but we need to wait for this candle to close and then we decide what is happening next. In addition to this, I will show you one more thing. I will put up the long-term trend. If I try to make a line like this, you will see what is happening. One line like this, and let's make another to complete the channel. Now if you look at this, perfectly following this channel, support, lot of support here, and then this was support before but converted to resistance, and again resistance here. This was the point where I mentioned we need to be careful. Lot of large wicks over here. RSI has gone around 80. Time to be careful, and exactly that is what happened. Went down, tried to find support at this level and found some support, again rejected from this point. Big rejection, and now we are here at 200 period moving average. We are trying to test this right now. So what we need to do is, in my opinion, is to wait right now, is to see if we are able to hold this or not. Maybe the next 2-3 days will answer this question. If it stays above this, we are in good shape and we might go back up to 47,000 or 48,000. But you can see how it is trying to follow the channel. There is a chance that it might go back to this 39,000 level. In my opinion, after seeing this big doji star candle over here, I think this signals a loss of downward momentum at the moment, but I would wait at this moment. Let this candle close, let this daily candle close, and then we will try to see what we can do. But if you want to take a reversal trade at this moment, you can do that. You can take a trade over here with your take profit should be around here 47,000, and your stop loss should be just below this level, which is around 41,000, so that you are safe. Always trade with take profit and stop losses in your trade. This is the key to risk management. Never take any chances, never leave open trades, otherwise you will blow up your account. And the best thing to do is start with demo account. If you're just starting, try to use demo accounts, try out your strategy, and then you will see if it's working or not. So in my opinion, this is what is happening right now, and I truly believe, hopefully this is the last red candle and we might go back up here. Hopefully we convert this 200 period moving average to a support, and this is a very big thing for Bitcoin at the moment, which means we will continue the upwards movement. We can see 50,000 in the next few days. But once again, I would like to emphasize is that we need to wait for this candle to finish. Don't enter any trade right now. Wait for this candle to finish, then you can enter a trade. Take profit 48,000 and then stop loss somewhere around here 41,000. This is what I would do at the moment. So as you can see, I have tried to keep it very simple. Once again, let me summarize everything. Just using 200 period smooth moving average, support resistance line, channels, and RSI. That's it. Nothing else needed. No difficult indicators, no technical words used. Very simple. So I'll see you guys next time. If you want me to look at any other thing, any commodity, oil, any specific stock, so let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.